Indian healing clay has been used for centuries to tighten the skin. So I'm going to put a little bit in a bowl. So I'm going to start with like a teaspoon. And I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar until you make a little fine paste. Oh, you can feel it. You can see it fizzling. So the apple cider vinegar is going to lower the pH of the skin, so that's going to give your mask some extra exfoliation. So you can use clean fingers, or I've got a fan brush that I got out of my makeup kit. You can buy one at your local craft store. So you're just going to, I'm going to apply it to my model's neck, because the neck is what ages first. So you're just going to upward motions under the chin and make sure you tighten all that up. Now the Indian healing clay has a negative charge. Our dirt and oil and bacteria on our skin has a positive charge. So what's going to happen, it's going to draw out the impurities in the pores, it's going to clean out the pores and naturally tighten the skin. So you're going to leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. That's how you use Indian healing clay to tighten loose facial skin.